In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update BIOS ASUS Prime Z790-P Wi-Fi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire the BIOS files needed for an update and how to actually perform it on your ASUS motherboard. Keep in mind that even though in this video I'm talking specifically about the Z790 P model, it's usually going to be the same steps across any other brand or any other model by ASUS, so keep all of that in mind. To follow along, you only need a USB drive. You will be loading the BIOS files into this USB drive, and you can acquire these files on the official ASUS website. So visit asus.com and you can use the search function to look for your particular motherboard model, like the Prime Z790-P Wi-Fi. So you will be able to find it here. Make sure that you choose alternative models if they are different, but when you reach its page, go over to support, and then under the necessary tools, you will find the BIOS files. So go to support and then switch over to driver and utility, and then BIOS and firmware. Now you will be able to download the latest version of the BIOS. Click download and you will extract this somewhere. So if you receive a zip like this one, just right click, extract it somewhere, and then grab the BIOS file. You will have to drag and drop it inside of the USB flash drive's storage. Once you have it loaded into the USB flash drive, insert it at the back of your motherboard. So any of these USB ports, make sure that you don't use the ones in your case. So when you insert it into any of the available USB ports, you will be able to enter the BIOS itself. Inside of the BIOS, we are going to look for the Easy Flash utility. If you don't see it here on the home screen, make sure that you switch over to Advanced Mode, so by using this option at the bottom. Advanced Mode will give you plenty of categories at the top, and now you can navigate over to Tool and choose ASUS Easy Flash 3 utility. Within Easy Flash, your USB drive should be detected as a storage device if it is properly inserted on the back of your motherboard, and inside of its contents, you will be able to find the BIOS files that you downloaded. So just choose them from the list and the update will be performed automatically. Let this process finish, and when it reaches 100%, you will be able to reboot your PC and the BIOS will be updated. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS ASUS Prime Z790-P Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.